Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make these beautiful bubu gown styles. You'll be needing your fabric, your tailor's chalk, your tape rule and your scissors. Fold your fabric. Input your body measurements. Place another fabric on the cutout. Cut it out to achieve something like this. Using 3.5 inches, achieve something like this on the cutout. Cut it out to achieve straps and place on the first bodice and sew. Let me know if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.